Hey there, tech fans! Today I've got some juicy leaks for you straight from Teen AA. We're diving into the REALME 13 5G. Yeah, you heard that right. The next big thing from REALME is making waves. So, let's get into it. First off, let's talk design. The REALME 13 5G is sporting a sleek, modern look. The leaked images show off a glossy back panel with a gradient finish. Think of it as a blend of sophistication and style, and those camera modules, they're arranged in a neat vertical stack that gives it a clean, organized feel. Now, onto the display. Teen AA reveals a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus screen. That's plenty of real estate for your Netflix binges and intense gaming sessions. And yes, it's a punch-hole design, so no chunky notches here. Under the hood, the REALME 13 5G packs a punch. According to the leaked specs, we're looking at a MediaTek Dimensity 1200 chipset. That's some serious firepower for a mid-range device. Paired with up to 8 GB of RAM, this phone is primed for multitasking and heavy usage. Storage-wise, you've got options. There are configurations with 128 GB or 256 GB of internal storage, and if that's not enough, there's also a micro SD slot to expand your storage even further. Alright, let's talk cameras. The REALME 13 5G flaunts a triple camera setup. The primary sensor is a 64MP shooter, promising crisp and detailed photos. There's also an 8MP ultra-wide lens for those sweeping landscape shots, and of course a 2MP macro lens for when you want to get up close and personal with your subject. Selfie lovers, you're in luck. The front camera is a 16MP sensor, perfect for high-quality selfies and video calls. Battery life is always a concern, right? Well, the REALME 13 5G comes with a 4500 mAh battery, and with support for fast charging, you'll be back up and running in no time. On the software side, it's expected to run REALME UI 3.0 based on Android 12. That means you'll get a smooth, optimized experience with plenty of customization options. Alright, so when can you get your hands on this beauty? While there's no official release date yet, the TNAA certification suggests it's just around the corner, so there you have it. The REALME 13 5G is shaping up to be an exciting addition to the REALME lineup. Sleek design, powerful specs, and all the right features. Are you as hyped as I am? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech updates. Catch you in the next one. TechDevil.